Hello Startup Diva fans! Today I wanted to do something different. I decided to order a Cybertruck t-shirt and a hat.
Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil. We created an exoskeleton. Oh my fucking god. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Should we try on the board?
Sorry? Okay. It didn't go through, so that's a plus side.
Let's try the
Right? Try that one, really? Okay. Sure.
Oh, man.
It didn't go through. All right. Not bad.
Tesla created t-shirts and merchandises and make fun of themselves after the Cybertruck demo. In Silicon Valley, you always have those cases where a demo will not go well. And so sometimes you just have to have some humor and enjoy it. Okay, so here's the box. I'm going to open it. Box right here. Cool. So this is the hat. Great. Awesome. Oh, have my hair. Cool. Okay. And then here you go. This is the t-shirt. Medium size. And great. So see, that's the glass, supposed to be like the glass that's broken. And this is what the back looks like. So next time I do a video, I will wear this, and I will also wear the hat. Great. All right. See you guys later.